The universe is vast, ancient, and silent. For all our searching, for all our listening, we found nothing but an eerie, cosmic quiet. This profound silence is the heart of a chilling question known as the Fermi Paradox. If life is not unique to Earth, then where is everybody? Among the many proposed answers, one stands out as particularly terrifying: the Great Filter. This theory suggests that somewhere along the path from simple life to a galaxy-spanning civilization, there is a barrier, a filter so difficult to overcome that it stops almost all life in its tracks. The Great Filter isn't a physical wall in space, but rather a probabilistic one. It represents one or more evolutionary steps that are exceedingly unlikely to occur. The frightening part is, we don't know where this filter lies in the timeline of life. Is it behind us, a hurdle we've already cleared? Or is the greatest challenge, our potential extinction, still waiting for us up ahead? To understand our odds, we need to look at the key stages a civilization must pass through on its journey to the stars. First, the right star system is needed. A planet must exist within the habitable zone, a narrow band where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. It's not too hot, not too cold. Then on that planet, life itself must begin. This is the jump from non-living organic molecules to self-replicating organisms. We still don't fully understand how this happened on Earth, which suggests abiogenesis could be an incredibly rare event. This might be the Great Filter. If starting life is the hardest step, it could explain why the universe appears so empty. Once simple life exists, it must evolve into complex, multicellular organisms. For billions of years, life on Earth was just single-celled microbes. The leap to complex life, like plants and animals, was a monumental step that might be a significant filter. From there, these complex creatures need to develop intelligence on a human-like scale. This means developing large brains capable of abstract thought, tool use, and complex communication. Many species are intelligent, but our specific kind of analytical and creative intelligence seems to be unique, at least in Earth's history. This intelligence must then be used to establish a civilization. This involves developing agriculture, building cities, creating language, and passing down knowledge through generations. It's the foundation upon which all future technological progress is built. With a civilization in place, the next step is the development of technology and science. This leads to an industrial revolution, the harnessing of energy, and the ability to communicate and travel globally. This stage, however, also brings new dangers. This is where we are now. We have achieved global communication, spaceflight, and have harnessed the power of the atom. But we also face self-made threats: climate change, nuclear weapons, pandemics, and resource depletion. These challenges could represent the Great Filter. Perhaps almost every civilization that reaches this stage ends up destroying itself before it can become a multiplanetary species. The argument that the filter is behind us is an optimistic one. It suggests that one of the earlier steps was the truly difficult part. Maybe the jump from non-life to life, or from single-celled to complex organisms, so astronomically improbable that Earth is one of the very few, or perhaps the only, planet in our galaxy to have achieved it. If this is true, we are incredibly special. It would mean that the vast, silent cosmos is a blank canvas waiting for us. Our future among the stars would be limited only by our own ambition and ingenuity. It would place a profound responsibility on our shoulders to survive, to thrive, and to become the stewards of life in the galaxy. However, there's the other, more sobering possibility. The Great Filter is still ahead of us. This is the terrifying answer to the Fermi Paradox. It implies that the path we are on has been trodden by countless other civilizations before, all of whom met their end at the same point. What could this future filter be? Our one candidate is self-destruction. As a civilization's technology becomes more powerful, so does its capacity for annihilation. The invention of nuclear weapons was perhaps our first encounter with a technology capable of ending our civilization overnight. Another possibility is an unforeseen natural catastrophe on a cosmic scale. Perhaps a gamma ray burst from a nearby supernova, an asteroid impact far larger than the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, some other cosmic event we can't yet predict. It's possible that the universe is simply a more dangerous place than we realize, and long-term survival is statistically impossible. There's also the technological singularity. The creation of a superintelligent AI could be a filter. If we create something far more intelligent than ourselves, we may not be able to control it. An uncontrolled superintelligence could see humanity as irrelevant, or even as a threat to its own existence, leading to our swift and efficient removal. The final challenge could be the transition to a multiplanetary and eventually interstellar species. The sheer cost, resources, technological breakthroughs required to establish self-sustaining colonies on other planets and then other star systems might be too great. Perhaps every civilization gets trapped on its home planet, destined to perish when its star eventually dies. So, when we look up at the silent night sky, what are we really seeing? Are we gazing upon a graveyard of failed civilizations, a testament to the great filter that awaits us? Or are we looking at an empty cosmic cradle, a universe that is ours for the taking because we are the first to make it this far? The answer remains unknown, and that uncertainty is both exhilarating and deeply unsettling. We stand at a critical juncture in the history of our species, and perhaps in the history of the galaxy itself. The choices we make in the coming decades and centuries may determine whether we become another silent statistic, or the ones who finally break the silence. Our continued existence depends on our ability to navigate the perils of our own making and the hidden dangers of the cosmos. We must become a wiser, more cooperative, and more resilient species if we hope to pass the test that so many others may have failed. The Great Filter is not just an abstract concept, it is a profound warning. It urges us to cherish our existence, to safeguard our planet, to strive for a future where humanity's voice can finally be heard across the cosmic expanse, answering the question, where is everybody? With a simple, triumphant, we are here. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most profound questions ever asked. What do you think? Is the Great Filter behind us, or is our greatest challenge yet to come? For more explorations into the mysteries of the cosmos and our place within it, be sure to subscribe to Infinity.